To be able to use your clear stamps, you need to have some acrylic blocks. Acrylic blocks come in a variety of shapes, and they come in a variety of sizes as well. They also come in a variety of thicknesses. I find that the minimum thickness needs to be 12 millimeters, and these ones that I have here are all 12 millimeter thick. These ones are thicker, and that's fine, they'll be totally fine. But if there's anything that is less than 12 millimeter thickness, such as this one here, it's going to be more difficult for the kids to use. So there's the 12 millimeter one, which is good, and this one is between 9 and 10 millimeter thickness. So it's going to be harder for the kids to hold on to. These ones you can get the cheapest, but as I said, they're going to be hard to use because the kids, when they hold on to them, there's more chance that their fingers are going to go over the edge, and then when they come to stamp, they're going to get their fingers in the ink. That doesn't tend to happen with the 12 millimeter and above, as long as they hold it more sort of on the top half of the block, if that makes sense. Okay, so anything less than 12 millimeters, and they're just really too thin. So acrylic blocks are a hard transparent plastic. They are really durable, and they're kind of indestructible really. So once you have a set of different sizes, they will last you many years. You need different sizes in order to fit different size stamps. So if we take the Father's Day set, you will see that the cup or the mug fit well on this block, and also this block, it fits well too. This little block here, it is too big, it's hanging over the edges of the block, so you're not going to get a very good stamped image when your stamp's hanging over the edges like that. This block here is obviously way too big. You wouldn't use that. You've got all this empty space, which is going to make it kind of harder, and it's going to wobble around a little bit when the kids stamp, but you wouldn't use such a big one. But even this one is probably slightly too big for this stamp. So you really want to find the best stamp, the best block for the stamp that you want to use. And I can demonstrate that with this tie stamp as well. So it just doesn't quite fit properly on that little round one. It fits well on this rectangle one, and it does fit on this round one here, but you've got a lot of space, and that is going to wobble around a little bit too. So for this tie stamp, the rectangle block is probably the best choice for that. So that's why you want a variety of different acrylic blocks to fit different size stamps. And as I said, once you've got them forever.